place to hold the instrument panel and sort of make it sit upwards with the instrument installed. Okay, the first one to go in, I think, will be a nice vertical speed indicator. This goes up to about 2,000 feet per minute, although I have, I think the rate of climb of this craft is actually closer to about 750, so 0 to 2,000 is just about right. The screws I'm using are, brass round head screws. Apparently they didn't want to stand there very well. Go. And that'll actually kind of hold it up. Let's see if we can get a little better lighting in here. Oh, that looks a little better. Well, we have our nuts and washers handy to go ahead and install this. Probably fast forward past the installation and just show the end of it. I think I'll do that. Here we go here. The vertical speed indicator installed. Let me just give the screws here just a little cinching down. I chose the brass screws because they have kind of a vintage or antique sort of look to them, sort of, I guess. Not that I've seen a vintage antique panel, but I'm guessing maybe it kind of has a resemblance since I'm using vintage instruments from the old era. These are yellow. The yellow is quite faded on there. It looks white now, but it used to be yellow at one time. Okay. I think I'll try the airspeed indicator now. This is a Cessna unit, I believe. I don't know exactly, or which Cessna that it might come off of. 1971. It's fairly old. Quite a few decades, but it was claimed to have been in good condition, so let's go ahead and attach it. And there we go here. Let me see. This will actually install in the center hole here. Let me make some room and put it up to the where it's going to go. I guess that gets out of the video a little bit. Push it over and let's see if we can't make just, oh, there we go, just a little bit better.